Today, I'd like to introduce a converted right-hand drive vehicle, a 2019 pure electric used Geely EV450. This model has been professionally converted to right-hand drive. The car measures 4,631 millimeters in length, 1,789 millimeters in width, and 1,495 millimeters in height. It features a 52 kilowatt-hour battery pack, supporting DC fast charging, 0.5 hours to 80%, and AC slow charging 9 hours for full charge. The top speed reaches 140 kilometers per hour, powered by a 120 kW electric motor. A major selling point is its generous wheelbase of 2,650 millimeters, providing ample interior space. It comfortably seats 5 passengers, each up to 180 centimeters tall, and weighing 200 kilograms. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes 9.3 seconds. Also noteworthy is the spacious 680L trunk, which can easily accommodate 2 25-inch suitcases. Now, let's take a look inside. The steering column and wheel have been relocated to the right side, with corresponding adjustments made to the dashboard. All controls, including rear-view mirrors, window switches, brake and accelerator pedals, and even windshield wipers, have been meticulously reconfigured for perfect adaptation in the right-hand drive setup.